Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying exactly which machine and BIOS you have. This determines the removal method. Once done, power down and unplug the unit, remove the case, and ground yourself with a wrist strap. Next, locate the CMOS battery and the BIOS password or clear jumper on the motherboard. These are the first actionable targets. Make sure to photograph jumper positions and battery orientation so you can restore original settings later. This prevents accidental damage when you proceed. You now perform the reset step. Remove the CMOS battery for between 5 and 20 minutes to allow capacitors to discharge and default settings to restore. Alternatively, move or short the specified CMOS clear jumper per the motherboard manual. Use a metal tool briefly if instructed, but avoid force. Once done, reinsert the battery and return jumper to original position. If hardware reset does not remove the BIOS password, try documented manufacturer backdoor passwords or service mode recovery. You finish by reassembling the system, reconnecting power, and immediately entering BIOS setup to verify the password is gone. Set a new one only if necessary and record it securely. If the firmware still prompts for a password, stop. Repeated attempts can escalate lockups on some models. Instead, contact the vendor with proof of ownership for a master reset, use official recovery utilities, or consult an authorized repair center. Keep a log of steps taken to speed professional support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.